Hello, Shivani. Welcome to A Toast to the Masters. I am acquainted with Shivani since 2014 and we met in our French class. Since then, we are together. Even we joined Toastmaster together last year. She is a hardworking and very calm person. Let's see what is her perspective about Toastmaster Club. Let's start our questions and answer session with her. Shivani, are you ready?
Good evening, Toastmaster Ritika. Yes, I'm
Good
very
evening.
much ready.
Okay, so Shivani, my first question is what is the difference between Shivani and Toastmaster Shivani?
Before joining this Toastmaster club, I was very timid, fearful, had a glossophobia, was not so confident, was hesitant in speaking in public. Because of that, I lost many opportunities. But through my friend, one of my friend, I came to know about the Toastmaster and its advantages. So I thought of attending this Toastmasters meeting. After attending one and two meeting, I felt this is the best platform where I can improve my skill of public speaking as well as the leadership. So I became a member of this. And after joining that and participating in many role players, taking up many roles, I became more and more confident. I became the fear of public speaking was gone. I could speak without any hesitation in front of the people. I could express my feeling in front of the people. And that was the immense change that I could see in myself. So that was a great change from Shivani to Toastmaster Shivani.
Great, Shivani. So now I am going to ask a question for with Toastmaster Shivani. Toastmaster Shivani, when you joined the Toastmaster and immediately you got the position in XCOM, were you ready to take this responsibility? And now how is feeling during working as a Vice President Education?
When I joined this Toastmaster club, especially in the Loyal Toastmaster club, when I became the member, after a few months, there was an election for the XCOM. I was excited to take up this roles, the positions, but it had a lots of responsibility. Every position had a responsibility. So I was a little bit hesitant whether to take up or not. But with the consultation of Toastmaster Mayuri, I thought, why not fill the nomination for this positions? Initially, I thought of becoming an sergeant at arms because it had less responsibilities. I was a little bit confused whether I will be able to justify the position, higher position like president or VP or VPR, whether I will be able to give my time to that position, but it requires lot of responsibilities. So Toastmaster Mayuri guided me, no, give nomination for everything. Let us see. It is election. If you get elected, I'm there to help it out. And that built a confidence in me. So I filled a nomination for VP Ed, VPR, Sergeant at Arms, except for the president. I filled all the nomination and luckily I got elected for the VP Ed. I was not aware of that. But with that, I thought now since it came to me, I have a responsibility and I will take it. I have taken that as a challenge. And when I talked with again with Toastmaster Mayuri, she told me I'm there. That boosted my confidence, and I have started working as a VP Ed from that on, and I am enjoying that responsibility. This position has given me to interact with the different people coming from different background. So I have expanded my network of people, and that is the best part of this position.
So thanks to Mayuri, she inspired you to become a VP Education. Good. So my last question is for you. What makes you to renewal for Toastmasters again and again?
Renewal for the Toastmasters. I feel that you cannot learn in a 1 year or 6 months. It is a skill where you need to uh, improve day by day, year by year. You cannot learn the skill in a 1 day or 1 year, or the leadership skill in 1 day or 1 year. So this is a process, continuous process. Every time you learn something, you meet different people, you learn from them. So I think the renewal makes me to be in contact with this club or with this international platform, meeting different people, knowing them from them, learning from them, and gaining certain experience, which makes you better and better day by day. So I think I definitely will go for renewal, because it is not a 1 day process.
Exactly. Yes.
So definitely renewing is one of, I think that will be one of the most important for me to renew in the Toastmaster if I had to improve more.
Okay, great, Shivani. Your message will convey to our all the people. Okay, friends, it was her outlook about Toastmasters Club. You saw how much she was benefited after joining the Toastmaster Club. Thank you, Shivani, for your precious time. I am looking forward to hearing more and more about Toastmasters from you. Thank you. Thank you, Shivani.